Welcome to Alfonso Cajero, AI in Finance. Chapter 4, Interpreting VBA with ChatGPT. Interpreting VBA, Visual Basic for Applications, with ChatGPT in the context of AI in finance, offers a powerful combination for enhancing productivity and accuracy. VBA is widely used in finance for automating repetitive tasks, creating custom functions, and building sophisticated financial models in Excel. However, understanding and debugging VBA code can be challenging, especially for those who are not seasoned programmers. By leveraging ChatGPT, finance professionals can receive real-time assistance in interpreting and writing VBA code. ChatGPT can help explain complex code segments, suggest optimizations, and provide solutions for common errors, making the learning curve for VBA less steep. Additionally, it can offer code snippets and examples tailored to specific financial tasks, thereby streamlining the coding process. This symbiotic relationship between VBA and ChatGPT empowers finance professionals to harness the full potential of automation and AI, leading to more efficient workflows, reduced errors, and enhanced analytical capabilities.